Mid-Autumn Festival is coming. If you want to enhance your money fortune, if you want to enhance your love energy, finding the true love, or if you want to resolve the conflict between your friends and family, then you can make use of this Mid-Autumn Festival. There's some Feng Shui setting we can do that. Are you ready? Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. This is Master Alex. Welcome. You know, Mid-Autumn Festival is coming, and for the Feng Shui setting, Mid-Autumn Festival, we can do something special Feng Shui setting to help us to boost our money fortune, our love, our family relationship, and even to resolve some conflict between you and your friends or your family. So this is something amazing. Okay, for this year, 2023, the Mid-Autumn Festival, which is September 29, and then for 2024, the Mid-Autumn Festival is September 17, and then for 2025, the Mid-Autumn Festival is October 6. So those days are really important, and then you can use some Feng Shui setting to boost the four I mentioned: your money fortune, the love relationship, your family relationship, and then the conflict between you and your friends and your family, that we can do that. Okay, for this year 2023, something we can do is, okay, we can make use of this. We call the number 9 flying star. In here right now, 2023, the number 9 flying star, which is really good. And starting from next year, the number 9 flying star is even much better, because starting from next year is the number 9 in charge period, which is from 2024 up to 2044. This number 9 will be in charge, will become the boss to take care of the Feng Shui. Okay, but for right now, 2023, this number 9, which is really good, we can make use of it, because this number 9 is related to the start of happiness. So you want some happiness, you can make use of this number 9. If you want to have some promotion, you need to make use of this number 9. If you want to have a good marriage, even have a good children, you can make use of this number 9, and also the money fortune too. Okay, for this year 2023, the number 9 flying stars is go all the way to the north. So over the north, some Feng Shui setting we can do to enhance it. If you want to enhance your money fortune, you can prepare something like this. This is we call the treasure bowl. So make sure that there's a cap here to cover it, and then inside is a container. You can put your coins that belong to your country, put it inside, and make it like 3/4 full. Then you will help to enhance your money fortune. Or if you want to do some international business, you can put all those different countries' coins, like let's say American quarter, like let's say Canadian coins, Europe coins, Japanese yen, Chinese dollar, Hong Kong dollar, whatever you name it, put it inside, make it 3/4 full. And this year, 2023, you can put it on the north, because the number 9 flying star is on the north, and they can help to boost the money fortune. So this is really good for your money fortune, and it's good for you to do that in the Mid-Autumn Festival period. Or if you want to enhance the love fortune, to have a true love to come, so you can use the red roses to do that. You can put 1 pieces big red roses, and then put it in the vase, and then to grow it on the water, and make sure that you cut those like a spine, because we don't want you to get hurt, and then those spine will have a bad luck for your love. So you need to cut it and put it in the north area. If this is in your bedroom, you can put it in the north corner of your bedroom. If you are live with your family member, you have to be really careful for putting in like a public area, because we are not sure whether you want to boost your love fortune for yourself or for your dad or for your mom. We don't want to take the risk. So it's better to do it in your bedroom, then that will definitely help. Or if, let's say, if you want to enhance the harmony relationship with your family member, so you can use this number 3 flying star. This number 3 is, we call the start of a conflict, the start of an argument. And this year is go all the way to the southeast location. So over there, you need to do some feng shui setting. And this number 3 is belong to the wood energy and is belong to the argument. So we need to minimize those bad luck energy so we can burn the wood. So we can have a more like a red color on the southeast corner, so it can help to minimize this number 3, so it can help to resolve those like a family conflict. Or if let's say if you have some conflict between you and your friends, you can also do something similar on the southeast corner, more red color or even more lighting, then it can help. Okay, for 2024, the flying star is the different. So for 2024, the number 9 flying star, the star of happiness, go all the way to the southwest. So you need to do some feng shui setting on the southwest to boost your money fortune and then your love. And then for the number 3 flying star, it go all the way to the middle. So if you want to resolve the conflict between you and your family and your friends, you need to do some feng shui setting in the middle, so it can definitely help. And thanks for watching and good luck. If you want to learn more about traditional feng shui setting and knowledge, I have a book in Amazon.com. The name is Practical Feng Shui 101. You can go there, take a look. I put a link down below. And if you want to learn more about current feng shui setting and yearly feng shui tips, I also have a book for you, free of charge. I put a link down below. You're welcome to go there, download it. And thanks for watching. Good luck.